Hey everyone, welcome back to English in Daily Life. I'm Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie. We're very happy you're here today.
Today we are talking about work and jobs.
Yes, we will practice simple English conversations about work.
This lesson is great for A2 learners.
We will learn easy phrases, real-life examples, and useful vocabulary.
And don't worry, speak slowly with us. Listen carefully, repeat after us.
You're improving already.
Also, if you enjoyed this podcast, please like and subscribe.
And share this episode with a friend who is learning English too.
All right, let's begin.
First, let's talk about a very common question.
What do you do?
Yes, people ask this when they want to know your job.
For example, what do you do?
I work in a bank.
Very good. Another example, what do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Nice and simple.
Let's practice together.
Listen first.
What do you do?
I work in an office.
Now you try.
What do you do?
Great job.
You can also say, I work at a hospital. I work at a restaurant. I work at a school.
Very useful phrases.
Stephanie, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher.
Nice. Where do you work?
I work online and at a language school.
That's cool.
Thanks. What about you?
I work in marketing.
Interesting. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. My job is busy, but I like it.
Busy is a great word.
Yes, busy means you have many things to do.
Example, my office is very busy on Mondays.
Another example, I'm busy right now.
Let's repeat together. Busy.
I'm busy today.
Excellent.
Now let's talk about work schedules.
Good idea.
A common question is, what time do you start work?
Example, I start work at 9 a.m.
Or, I start work early.
Ronald, what time do you start work?
I usually start work at 8 a.m.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, but I finish early too.
Another useful question. What time do you finish work?
Example, I finish work at 5 p.m.
Listen again carefully. What time do you start work? I start work at 9 a.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 6 p.m.
Now repeat after us.
I start work at 9 a.m.
I finish work at 6 p.m.
Perfect.
Let's continue with workplace vocabulary.
Here's a useful word, coworker.
A coworker is a person you work with.
Example, my coworkers are friendly.
Another example, I eat lunch with my coworkers.
Ronald, do you like your coworkers?
Yes, I do. They are very helpful.
Helpful means they help you.
Exactly.
Let's practice. My coworkers are friendly.
My manager is helpful.
Great job, everyone.
Now let's talk about managers.
A manager is the boss of a team.
Example, my manager is very kind.
Or, my manager gives clear instructions.
Instructions means directions or information about work.
Listen to this short dialogue.
Did you finish the report?
Not yet. I'm still working on it.
Okay, please send it this afternoon.
Very natural conversation.
Now let's explain the phrase, working on it.
This means you are doing something now.
Example, I'm working on a project.
Or, I'm working on my homework.
Let's repeat, I'm working on it.
Nice.
Stephanie, what are you working on these days?
I'm working on new English lessons.
Sounds fun.
It is.
Now let's talk about meetings.
Yes, meetings are common at work.
A meeting is when people talk together about work.
Example, I have a meeting this morning.
Another example, the meeting starts at 10.
Ronald, do you like meetings?
Sometimes, but some meetings are too long.
I agree.
Here's another useful phrase, I'm running late.
This means you will arrive late.
Example, sorry, I'm running late.
Or, the traffic is bad. I'm running late.
Repeat after us, I'm running late.
Excellent pronunciation.
Now let's do a listening practice.
Listen carefully.
Hey, where are you?
I'm on the bus. I'm running late.
No problem. The meeting hasn't started yet.
Great. I'll be there soon.
Very good.
Did you understand I'll be there soon?
It means I will arrive soon.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about lunch breaks.
My favorite topic.
A lunch break is time to eat and relax.
Example, I usually take my lunch break at noon.
Another example, I eat lunch with my coworkers.
Ronald, what do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice and chicken.
Nice. I like sandwiches and fruit.
Simple food is great during work.
Yes, quick and easy.
Here's another useful phrase, I'm tired.
Everyone says this sometimes.
Especially after work.
Example, I'm tired after a long meeting.
Or, I need coffee, I'm very tired.
Repeat with us, I'm tired. Good job. But remember, work can also be exciting.
Yes, another useful word is interesting.
Example, my job is interesting.
Or, this project is interesting.
Ronald, what is interesting about your job?
I talk to many different people every day.
That sounds interesting.
Thanks.
Now let's practice a longer conversation.
Listen first.
Hi, how's work?
Pretty busy today.
Really? Why?
I have 2 meetings and a big project.
Wow, are you tired?
A little, but I'm okay.
That's good.
Now let's listen again slowly.
Hi, how's work?
Pretty busy today.
Really? Why?
I have 2 meetings and a big project.
Wow, are you tired?
A little, but I'm okay.
Excellent listening practice.
Now you can repeat the conversation by yourself.
Practice again later too. Repetition helps a lot.
Yes, listening again and again is very important.
Don't worry if you don't understand every word.
Step by step, your English will improve.
And remember, small practice every day is powerful.
Absolutely.
Now let's learn some workplace questions.
Good idea.
Do you work full-time or part-time?
Full-time means many work hours each week.
Part-time means fewer hours.
Example, I work full-time.
Or I work part-time at a cafe.
Another useful question. Do you work from home?
Example, yes, I work from home 2 days a week.
Many people work from home now.
That's true.
Let's repeat some important phrases together.
What do you do?
I work in an office.
I start work at 9 a.m.
I finish work at 5 p.m.
I'm working on it.
I'm running late.
My coworkers are friendly.
I'm tired.
Fantastic work, everyone.
You're learning useful English for real life.
And that's the best kind of English.
Before we finish, let's do one final short dialogue.
Listen carefully.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Busy, but good.
Same here. Do you have many meetings today?
Yes, 3 meetings.
Wow, good luck.
Thanks, you too.
Nice and simple.
These small conversations are very common at work.
So practice them often.
All right, everyone, let's wrap up.
Today we talked about jobs, coworkers, meetings, schedules, and workplace phrases.
We practiced useful expressions like, what do you do? I'm working on it. I'm running late. I'm tired.
Remember, practice a little every day.
Listen again, repeat again, and speak with confidence.
Your English is getting stronger every day.
Thanks so much for joining us today.
We had a great time practicing with you.
And now we have a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you start work or school?
And what's your favorite thing to do during your lunch break?
We can't wait to read your answers.
Take care, keep practicing, and see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.